A company is adding a reroute to the otherwise customer-founder connection. So if there is a founder, let's say it's somebody who takes pictures, and then he takes pictures, and then the customer has a problem, then the person who takes the pictures is kind of directly responsible for every issue the customer has. Now, if it is a company, though, and it begins to become a larger company, and eventually it's Samsung. Samsung doesn't make pictures, but now Samsung is into tech. So now if you try to get access to the founder, it's kind of obvious that the founder does not have time for you. So you land in this intermediary zone, which is the company. So it kind of protects the founder to a certain extent from the otherwise legal obligations. And so now what it does is similar to podcasting. So in podcasting, there is this thing where you can put an intermediary in between you, and so there's the customer on the one side, and then you had in the early days of podcasting something that was FeedBurner. So it is basically you as the podcast owner could say, okay, I have this link on this website. Now this link on this website could change over time because you could change where you host your files. So what you do is you post this into here. And then in this box it says, okay, I have the data which is here, and this podcast is here. So now everybody who tries to search for a podcast is rerouted into this box, which is in this case FeedBurner, so a website which has both sides. Now the company also acts to a certain extent now as kind of the connection point between customer and founder. And so it adds this intermediary that in case now the company also deconnects from the founder, or the podcast also deconnects from the original hosting site and switches to a different host, the connection is still intact because the combination, the intermediary in between, still connects those two.